Starting a family is a beautiful dream. It's a vision that many people hold dear, imagining the joy and fulfillment that comes with nurturing a new life. The idea of creating a family is often filled with hopes and aspirations, a journey that promises love, growth, and shared experiences. People dream of holding their babies, watching them grow. They envision the first steps, the first words, and the countless milestones that mark a child's development. These moments are cherished memories in the making, filled with laughter, learning, and the bonds that strengthen over time. But sometimes the path to parenthood isn't straight. Life can present unexpected challenges and obstacles that make the journey more complex. Infertility, health issues, and other barriers can turn what seems like a straightforward path into a winding road filled with uncertainty and heartache. Some families face challenges having children. These challenges can be emotional and physical, testing the resilience and determination of those who long to become parents. The struggle can be isolating, but it's important to remember that there are many ways to build a family, each with its own unique rewards. Others open their hearts to children needing homes. Foster care and adoption provide opportunities to offer love and stability to children who need it most. These paths are not just about providing a home, they are about creating a sense of belonging and security for children who have faced uncertainty. Adoption, surrogacy, and fostering are all amazing ways to build loving families. Each method comes with its own set of challenges and rewards, but the common thread is the love and commitment that parents bring to the table. These families may be formed in different ways, but they are united by the bonds of love and care. This essay will focus on fostering caring for a child who needs a temporary, safe, and nurturing home. Fostering is a unique and vital way to support children in need, providing them with the stability and care they require during challenging times. It's a journey that requires compassion, patience, and a deep commitment to making a positive difference in a child's life. Imagine a child's world turned upside down. Maybe their parents are struggling with illness, addiction, or other problems. Maybe the home isn't safe. These children need our help. They need a safe place to land when life gets tough. That's where foster families step in, offering love and stability when it's needed most. Foster families come in all shapes and sizes. They are as diverse as the children they welcome into their homes. From different backgrounds, cultures, and walks of life, these families share one common goal: to provide love and support. Single parents, couples, families with children, anyone with love to give can open their homes. It's not about having the perfect family setup. It's about the willingness to make a difference in a child's life. Whether you live in a bustling city or a quiet countryside, your home can be a sanctuary. It's about providing a safe, stable, and nurturing environment, a place where children can feel secure and valued. Foster parents play a crucial role in helping children heal and grow, offering them the stability they need to thrive. Imagine welcoming a child into your home, cooking them meals, reading bedtime stories. These everyday moments become the building blocks of trust and connection. It's in these simple acts of kindness that foster families make a lasting impact. You become their safe haven, their rock during a stormy time. The bond you create can help them navigate through their challenges and uncertainties. By opening your heart and home, you offer them hope and a chance for a brighter future. For a child who has experienced trauma or instability, entering foster care can be scary. They might feel lost, confused, and scared. Foster families provide more than just a roof overhead. They offer love, understanding, and a sense of belonging. This stability allows children to heal, learn, and grow. Fostering is deeply rewarding but comes with challenges. You are making a real difference in a child's life, helping them heal and thrive. You experience the joy of watching them blossom under your care, but be prepared for difficult behaviors. These children have been through a lot. Patience, understanding, and a commitment to learning are key. The bond between a foster family and child is powerful. It's about creating a loving and supportive environment where a child can heal and grow. Though temporary, the impact of fostering can last a lifetime. You're not just providing a home, you're offering hope, stability, and a chance for a brighter future. Every child deserves a loving home, a place where they feel safe, cherished, and valued. Unfortunately, not every child has this privilege. Many children around the world are in need of a nurturing environment where they can grow and thrive. This is where fostering comes in. By opening your heart and home, You can provide a sanctuary for these children, giving them the love and stability they desperately need. If you have love to give, consider fostering. It's not just about providing a roof over their heads, it's about creating a supportive and loving environment. Fostering is a commitment to care for and guide a child through their formative years. It's about being there for them, through the highs and lows, and helping them navigate the complexities of life. It's a journey of challenges and rewards, heartbreak, and immense joy. There will be moments of doubt and difficulty, but the impact you can have on a child's life is immeasurable. The bond you form with a foster child can be life-changing, not just for them, but for you as well. The joy of seeing a child flourish under your care is unparalleled. By opening your heart and home, you can make a world of difference in a child's life. You can provide them with the stability and love they need to overcome their past traumas and build a brighter future. Your support can help them develop the confidence and skills they need to succeed in life. You can be their safe haven, their beacon of hope, and help them write a new chapter filled with love and promise. Fostering is not just about changing a child's life, it's about enriching your own. The love and joy you give will come back to you in countless ways, making your life fuller and more meaningful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights on ADHD. You can check all of our videos on ASD versus ADHD, the Ultimate Differentiation Guide, Innovation Teaching Methods for Students with Autism, How ADHD Manifests in Adults and How to Cope. See you next time.